Hey, it's Mark Lanier. I want to talk to you about Lanier Trial Academy 8.0, something brand new. I've taught before on cross-examination, but it's an area where people more and more want me to show how you go through getting prepared for the killer cross-examination. So here's what I'm going to do this year uniquely. To the first 200 people who register, I will solicit you to send me an expert report or information about one of your cases and one of the experts. I will actually prepare a cross-examination for that expert in that case. I'll show how I prepared it, and I'll show how to deliver that cross-examination. It will be a way to help you walk through, whether it's your case or not, you walk through what's involved in prep. It's one of many new things I'm announcing this year. Come to the Trial Academy. I promise you, you'll be glad you did.